Yes, welcome to another Amazon FBA private label ID video, and this one is related to a carrier for shot glasses. As you can see, this one is selling more than 100 units per month, and it's actually quite a boring shape. For example, you could make it in the shape of an airplane, in the shape of a boat, or another creative ID. And I think this could sell quite well because people enjoy partying, and having creative IDs can make bars more popular because people post it on Instagram, share it with friends and so on. So bars could be really interested in this. You can also reach out to frat parties and people that just enjoy partying in general. So check out the link in the description that offers an overview of my gig, where I offer Amazon FBA IDs that you can private label. I wish you a wonderful day ahead, and thank you for watching the video.